Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best canoe for camping that you can buy today. Canoe camping is one of the best ways I know of to really get away from it all. Leave the world behind and paddle upstream to a remote location and pitch a tent. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing canoes for camping. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best canoe for camping, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Tucktec Folding Kayaks. This is a compact folding kayak in a price range much lower than other foldable models on the market. It has a wide-open design and a hard plastic shell that help it stay balanced and cut through the water with relative ease. But it's more challenging to assemble than we'd hoped, and taking this boat on choppy waters is outside its capacity. And while we love how quickly and easily it disassembles, more than once, it disassembled itself when we didn't want it to. We also have a few durability concerns with some of the hardware. Still, for a leisurely afternoon playing close to shore, the Tucktec works well enough. The Tucktec is an interesting model that's less expensive than other folding models and handles very well on calm waters. Though we think it's far from the easiest to assemble and don't recommend it for any long journeys or choppy water, it's a decently portable option for the casual paddle in serene waters. In at number 4 is the Lifetime Kodiak Canoe. This basic 13-foot canoe is a mid-priced option for beginner paddlers favoring flat and calm rivers and lakes. It has a wide and flat hull, making it a very stable canoe for fishing. It also has rod holders near the middle seat and is capable of carrying up to 600 pounds. 2 of the 3 molded seats have quick-release seat backs for extra comfort, and it even comes with a transom motor mount bracket to attach a motor if you're feeling very lazy. The Lifetime Kodiak Canoe won't win any prizes for performance and maneuverability, and it's also rather heavy to move and transport, especially for its length. However, if you're after a durable and reliable boat for family outings and floating fishing expeditions, then you can't really go wrong. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty, and to make transporting it a touch easier, there's a small wheel on the skeg. The third product on our list is the Driftsun Almanor Inflatable Recreational Touring Kayak. This kayak is perfect for recreational use, and it's made from durable PVC material. It inflates in about 10 minutes, so you can be on the water quickly. This kayak is perfect for beginners and experienced kayakers alike, and it can be easily inflated and deflated for easy transport. 2 high back seats give you plenty of support for your day on the water. The seats are fully adjustable and offer excellent support. A good kayak seat is often overlooked, so it's nice to see that these are included. Storage is no problem with the Driftsun. With a 600-pound capacity, there is plenty of room for your gear. You can carry 2 adults, a child, or a dog with you. There are tie-downs to secure your equipment. The kayak is lightweight to transport and comes with a removable skeg, an action camera mount on the bow, and plenty of room for 2 paddlers. It also comes with all the gear you need to hit the water immediately, including 2 paddles and a pump. Carry handles on the front, back, and sides make this kayak easy to transport to and from the water. The downside of this tandem inflatable kayak is the lack of onboard storage. However, there are small covered areas on the bow and stern, but you still need to get your dry bags ready. One last point, this kayak is rated for up to Class 3 and 4 rapids, which can be a lot of fun. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the Old Town Sportsman Discovery Solo 119 Fishing Canoe. The Old Town Discovery 119 canoe boasts an impressive blend of speed, stability, maneuverability, and tracking, with enough carrying capacity for short solo canoe camping trips, angling outings, and duck hunts. Its compact dimensions allow it to accelerate quickly. At 32.5 inches wide, the Old Town Discovery 119 strikes a fine balance. It's narrow enough for easy solo paddling, yet also remains quite stable for novice paddlers. There's plenty of room ahead of the paddler to fit a well-behaved mid-sized dog. Versatile is perhaps the best word to describe the Old Town Discovery 119. It makes an excellent solo tripping canoe for smaller paddlers and an excellent day tripper for larger paddlers or those who like to get on the water with their dog. It's all the boat you need if you're looking for a general-purpose solo canoe that excels in the conditions encountered on small lakes and gentle rivers. Old Town Discovery 119 Whitewater Performance is adequate for Class 1 and 2 rivers in the hands of a skilled paddler. Overall, this canoe performs admirably, is easy to carry and car-top, and is built to last. It also comes backed with a limited lifetime warranty, which covers the 3-layer polyethylene hull and deck plates, covering defects in workmanship and materials. The best canoe for camping is the Advanced Elements AirVolution Inflatable Kayak. When it comes to portability, the AirVolution comes with a fair-sized shoulder bag, which is easy to lug around. It's made with drop-stitch construction, which gets inflated to a rigid tensai. While this provides a distinct performance advantage over inflatables not made with this technology, it takes a significant amount of effort to pump the kayak by hand. For that reason, I would definitely recommend getting an electric pump if you plan on using the kayak regularly. The AirVolution is a stable enough kayak for anyone to enjoy. I'd be comfortable sending my mom for a paddle in this boat. While it is a kayak that would be difficult to flip, the hull does have a slight V shape. This helps the kayak travel through the water more smoothly than a completely flat hull, but it does result in the kayak having a little wobble to it. For an inflatable kayak, the AirVolution is surprisingly smooth and fast through the water. Not surprisingly, without the benefit of the skeg, the kayak didn't track very well, but it did turn on a dime. After a solid hour-long paddle test of the Advanced Elements AirVolution, I can tell you that I like this kayak. It performs as a 13-foot recreational touring kayak should, even as you'd expect a hard shell to. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.